Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So this is another video. As your tutor, Mr. Mamba Jackson, this is another video for differential equations. So now, as you can see this question, you need to identify is this differential equation is in which order. So now you can tell here we have the dy over dx, so which is showing that it is the first order differential equation, and we also have the y there. So now what we'll do here, we need to write the form of the differential, the form of the first order differential equation, which you know that it's dy over dx plus pxy equals qx, like that. So this is the first order differential equation, as you can. So now, when you see the question which they have given us there, is it in this same order? So we need to check the question. As you can see, it's not in the same order. So now we need to make it. So I have x plus 1 dy over dx plus y equals x plus 1 over 2. So we divide x plus 1 and also there x plus 1, also there x plus 1. Yeah, and there we cancel with dy over dx plus y over x plus 1 equals, there when you divide there we remain with x plus 1. So now, here what we do next, we have dy over dx plus, so here we say y over x plus 1 equals x plus 1, like that. So now, as you can see, what we have done there is in form of this order of the first order differential equation. So now what we need to do, we need to identify what is our p of x. So our p of x is 1 over x plus 1. Then our q of x equals x plus 1. So we need to find the integrating factor. So the integrating factor, which is the I of x, some books it will be the I, f, anything. So you send the integral of p of x, x. So which shows that where there is p of x, we substitute 1 over x plus 4. So this gives us 1 over x plus 1, yeah, where is p of x, then dx. So now we have such a situation. So what we need to do for us to integrate this, we are going to use u substitution. So where you say let u be equal to x plus 1. What in this case, sorry, here we can't use u substitution there. As you can see, the way we have there, we have 1 over x plus 1. So this 1 over x plus 1 is the same as we have the situation which is 1 over x. Yeah. So this, which can also be written as leave x. So this is the same as that there. So we can integrate that by saying the integral of this is leave x plus 1, like that. That's c. So now we know that for us to take rid of this exponential, when we introduce the log, which will cancel this exponential, automatically will remain with x plus 1 as our integrating factor. So here what I'm trying to explain is that when you have the exponential there, when you multiply this exponential with the log, which will eliminate this exponential, you just remain with the power itself there, which is x plus 1. Simple. So now, next, what you do here, you need to now multiply this integrating factor with this equation, which you have made there as your standard equation. So this be written in this form where we say y multiplied by the integrating factor equals the integral of the integrating factor, then cube of x. That's okay. Make some space. So what is y integrating factor? So the integrating factor is x plus 1. So y x plus 1 equals integrating factor, or the integrating factor is x plus 1, then cube of x. So our cube of x, what is our cube of x? Is x plus 1 as well. X plus 1 is our cube of x, then the x. So now here, what it is, the secret which is there, when you find the integrating factor, you should multiply it with the general equation which they have given you. Once you multiply your equation, this, when you multiply this part with the integrating factor, you get the integrating factor itself, but you need to introduce the y. That's what it means. So now that's, you have yx plus 1 equals the integral of x plus 1, so that it will be squared to x. So to deal with this, you're going now to use u substitution to integrate that part. So we say let u be equal to what is inside, which is x plus 1. So we differentiate this with respect to x, so it will be du over dx equals 1. We make dx subject to the formula. So this becomes du equals dx, like that. So now we'll substitute this du where there is the x there. So we say y x plus 1 equals the integral. Where there is x plus 1, you substitute u, then we have the 2 there as the power. Then when there is the x, we substitute du. Then y x plus 1 plus. So when we integrate this, what are we going to have? We have u power 3 over 3, like that, plus c. Okay, get some space. So now, where there is u, we substitute that, which is x plus 1. Substitute x plus 1 over 3 plus c. So now here what we are going to do, we'll divide with x plus 1. Then there x plus 1. Then there x plus 1. Then y. So when we divide that, automatically we are going to have x plus 1 power 3 over 3. When we divide this, change the you can subscribe and press if you have any challenge on this